Functions. Functions are special types of relations. Let us consider an example of books of different languages and its cost. Let A is equal to set of English, French, Telugu and Tamil books, and let B is equals to 50, 75, 35, 40, 100, 85 and 73 rupees. Since n of A, that is number of elements in set A, is equal to 4 and n of B, the set of elements in set B, is equal to 7. Therefore, n of A cross B, that is number of elements in a set A cross B, will be 4 multiplied by 7, that is 28. Therefore, the number of relation that can be defined from the set A to the set B is 28. R1 is a relation having the set of ordered pairs English, 75, French, 50, Telugu, 40, Tamil, 100. Similarly, R2 is equal to English, 75, English, 40, French, 35, Telugu, 100 and Tamil, 73. And R3 is equal to English, 50, French, 75, Telugu, 75. Let us analyze these three relations. All the three relations are giving an information about the cost of each books. For example, R1 is equal to English, 75 means the cost of the English book is 75 rupees. Similarly, the cost of French book is 50 rupees. The cost of Telugu book is 40 rupees and the cost of Tamil book is 100 rupees. Similarly, the relation R2 is also giving an information about the cost of each books. That is, cost of English book is 75 rupees. Again, the cost of English book is 40 rupees, which is impossible, as the same book cannot take two values. Similarly, when you observe the relation R3, we can see there is no value, that is cost, is assigned for Tamil book. No book will be there without cost. In the above three examples we have discussed, we say the relation R1 is a function, but the relations R2 and R3 are not functions. Then, what is a function? The relation will become function if the elements in the first set will have unique image, or we can say no two elements in the set A will have the same image, or in other words, the first coordinate of the relation should not repeat. In our example, for the relation R2, English book has two costs. Therefore, it is not a function. Another point for the relation to become a function, every element in a set A must have image in set B. In our example, the third relation, Tamil book is not having any cost. Therefore, it is not a function.